All right, we're making another. That's my son making noise. But we're going to make some cinnamon roll dump cake this morning. I'm sure you've seen this video online where there's two girls making this. They stick their sleeves in their hair in the food. We're going to do it a little simpler and a little less dramatic. So we're going to start out by preheating the oven to 350 degrees and open these suckers up. All right, in the other video, you got down to the last one, and the girl trying to do the how-to takes a big chunk out of it and realizes she made a huge mistake right away. Don't eat raw cookie dough. It's just not smart at all. You can adjust this to make it fit all of them. That simple. Don't eat raw cookie dough or raw cinnamon roll dough. It's just not good. Now time for the icing. Let it sit out. You don't put them in the refrigerator anyways, but you want to make sure that icing is room temperature so it spreads really nice. You don't have to use your hands for dramatic effect. It doesn't make it any easier. So we're going to spread this on. Okay, for this step, you're going to take the cake muffin mix out of the box. You don't need to cut it open and put it back in. That's pointless. And you're just going to spread it over top of the icing. Try to get it in there as even as possible, but once it's in there, it's not too difficult to just spread it out a little bit. Just get it in there, kind of even it out across the whole thing. Now for the cinnamon topping. Same idea, just kind of get it in there and try to spread it out as much as possible. Get it all in there and spread it out. Now that all the cake and cinnamon icing is on there, take about between a stick and a half of butter cut up and try to spread it out pretty evenly across the topping. And get some good coverage. Okay, now that we got the butter everywhere, we took a stick and a half, throw it in the oven, and wait 45 minutes at 350 degrees. Make sure you put a drip pan down or you'll get a bunch of smoke. I forgot to, but look at that. It's boiling over. It's going to be so good. Down. Look at that. That is going to be absolutely amazing. Oh yeah. I have to let it cool, and then we'll cut into it. Alright, it has had time to cool, and my wife made a good point. It's not really a dump cake, it's kind of exploding cinnamon rolls. Look at that. Exploding cinnamon rolls. That's going to be delicious. And just remember, if you don't want to smoke up the house, put a drip pan underneath because they really do explode. Enjoy.